Hello, hello. I just want to quickly show you a difference of a 10-minute oil change versus a 1-hour oil change. So I did this a few months ago on my other car. I actually, because it's turbo, there was quite a lot more oil in it. But on an NA engine, old tech, not with dual cam and all that, seemed to be less bad. So what you see in the ground here, it's 10 minutes of oil change. See, so you're looking about 4.5 quarts, about that, 4.7. And here it's the remaining of the 50 minutes. So basically this, what you see in the cup, it's what drip after I remove the oil pan and let it drip for another 50 minutes. So you could see it's not that bad. It's only 100 milliliters, which is about like 1/3 of a cup. Like I said, on turbo cars, you could have over a cup, basically over 250 milliliters. So just to let you know, if you do your oil change, you have your time. Take your time. I mean, nothing bad can come out of it. All you do is let the dirty stuff come out. And this oil has 7,500 kilometers. I don't know, maybe less than 5,000 miles or about 5,000 miles. So, yep, I just wanted to show you that. And at the same time, I replaced the brake pads and I'm going to put my front winter tires. That's going to be done for this season. So, again, that's what comes out 50 minutes after the initial oil drain. Bye.